pals, it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got one that came out of a Zenpop snack box. You can go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider, and get yourself a discount. Their snack box, there's one ramen variety, and then a whole slew of Japanese snacks and candies. It's pretty neat. I recommend it. I've been doing unboxings of those with my daughter. I got another one that I'm gonna do on Friday, and they are fun. She enjoys it, I enjoy it, you know. So, if that's something you think you'd enjoy, I recommend looking at it. If you think you would absolutely hate it, you'd pull your hair out, and you'd just want to kill yourself, then don't. The one we're doing today is Nissin Chicken Ramen Donburi. Now, that one... Okay, I'm gonna just get it going. This is the, it's a freeze-dried ingredient block. It almost instantly starts activating and turning into Wonder, the noodle block, and that's it. The seasoning is infused in 3 minutes. So when I first tried instant noodles, it was from my mom. Was my mom Japanese? No. She was British descent. My father was mostly British descent. But they were into culture, I suppose. And the deal is so my mom would get this stuff that Nissin made called Nissin Roasted Ramen. It was made in California. Long gone product. Don't even bother going looking for it. Where can I get it? You can't. It'll be expired. Like decades it's expired. But anyways, so roasted ramen basically had seasoning infused in the noodles like this. It went off them. What my mom would do is she would take the noodles, cook them 2 instead of 3 minutes, drain them, put them in a pan with some oil, fry them a little bit till the edges got crisp, drop a couple beaten eggs in there, stir it up, and make that for me for breakfast. And it's really freaking good. It's super simple, but it's really good. She called it Spitzel, which is like... Spitzel is like a German potato noodle. It's nothing like what she was making for me, but it doesn't matter because it was wonderful, good, perfect, and what happened was they discontinued that product. And I grew up in a small fishing town thing called Anacortes. It's on Fidalgo Island, northwest corner of the United States in Washington State. Well, about 2 hours the way my dad drove away is Seattle. So we drove down to Seattle, went to a big Japanese grocery store called Wajimaya, and there he brought one of the packages and said, "Could you direct me to something comparable to this?" And they showed him the pack version of this. The pack version, the noodles are seasoned in the block. And not only that, it's the first instant noodle that was on the market anywhere, Japan or anywhere. What's funny too, the guy who invented it, his name is Momofuku Ando. If you don't know who he is, then I'm surprised you're watching my video, but he was the inventor of the instant noodle. And what's funny, that's Hyoko-chan. That's the little mascot of these. And I read how his son, who is now the CEO of Nissin Foods Japan, Koki Ando, he was afraid of chickens when he was a kid. And one of the most, was their family's most, biggest things is a product with a little chicken on it. Something you may not have known. But, yeah. So this one's neat because it's got a lot of egg in it. This was my 2000th review. But it's been like over, 6 years? So I figured it was, I need a new spoon. Definitely need a new spoon. I'm gonna use, come on spoon. Don't be a jerk here. Here is the broth. Oh God, that brings me back. So it's kind of got like a chicken, more of a sesame flavor to me. And the noodle has a very floppy, very loose kind of character. It's very thin, light, but it is like so much a part of my childhood, which I'm sure plenty of people in Japan could say the same thing about, but yeah, I was. Yes. Wholeheartedly. Absolutely. Yes. So, this one was my 2000th review back in 2016. Yeah. I think. Yeah. And that was before Mimi was born. And so what did I do? I'll tell you. I basically drained the noodles, made sure they were very, very cool, and then I put them all over in front of my son Miles and his high chair. And he made immediately just like an enormous mess. He wasn't even 1 year old. They said adding ham. I'm guessing they mean chashu. I could be wrong. Isn't he gonna torch it? No. No torching today. Oh, I need my knife. Knife time. It's time for cutting things with a very sharp knife. Hey. It really is. It was a really softie. I think that's going to be our nicest bet. By the gods, be the perfect cut. I think we win. I think we win. Do we win? Can we win? Oh, baby. Look at that. That went well, and I'm happy about that. That. And then it says just add some spring onion. This is from the stuff that Zen Pop had to say about it. It's like, okay, I'll go pretty lean on it. If that's necessary. Yeah. Oh, come on. A little accentuation. Just a little. But yeah, this one, straight or garnished, absolutely wonderful. 5-star stuff. This is like, I mean, how can I not give it 5 stars? This is my childhood right here. It's absolutely spectacular. Wonderment. Enjoy the spin. Thank you very much for watching, and again, go over to zenpot.jp and use that coupon code, the Ramen, and get yourself one of these snack boxes. The next one is going to be Annie Chun's Japanese-style yakisoba noodle bowl.